There are jigsaw groups in our cohort. They are very inspirational. They are very inspirational. Researching and sharing. I start my homework around 11, and I always find something new. And when I see they've shared something new, I could swear my heart grows wings. So today around 11, I decided to get creative to help my group share these results. Show and tell will be the way. So today around 11, as I wondered how to do something new, I thought about the regular screencast when Rami starts with, "Hey, what's happening, Cohort 3? And thank you for your engaging creativity." And as your teacher turned facilitator, I must say you'll provide such inspiration in this cohort. Research and technology. Remy and Aviva bring us joy. It's like Jeremy Lin's name in Taiwan. They love him, they love him, they love him. So let's look at some models and check out these different frameworks. You'll like these different frameworks because they'll help us start. So today around 11, our group shares these different models on this wiki and a show and tell from somewhere not too far. There are flipped classrooms and one-to-one programs like with Apple, but there are some very big questions, which isn't anything new. But there will always be those questions, and you'll see our findings here. And now we invite you to comment and share your ideas too. Therefore, what do you find engaging? And thank you for your extra contribution. We'll look at some top classrooms and model teachers as we look to inspire each other. Research and technology. Remy and Aviva bring us joy. It's like Linsanity in the NBA. They love him, they love him, they love him. We use this wiki and continue looking for models in technology. But this is just a starting point to help you find yours. If you check out what's been put together and share your own findings, yes, research and pedagogy. Come on, everybody, sing with joy. Our cohort's branching into a variety of territory, and we love it, we love it, we love it. New frameworks and models are causing new discussions. We won't wait till Geneva to get over-caffeinated. Keep researching and sharing, wondering and failing. We share it, we read it, we analyze it. Go ahead, design it and engage it. And love it. Oh, I'm so sorry for my bad sound.